I just want to make clear, Wendy, that I'm happy to answer questions that are, in my mind, clear enough to answer, but it should be made clear that these answers to these questions are for information basis only, and if people are intending to take any legal action, that they should consult a lawyer. So that's clear because things change with the facts. And so if there's any facts in the questions that I'm not made aware of, proper legal advice can't be given. So these are basic informational questions and basic informational answers based on the question.
Thanks for joining us today, Rocco. The question today comes from Megan. What options do I have for sending my kids back to school in September without a mask? I've tried doctors' exemptions. They don't engage in conversation about it, and they flat out, regardless of any mental or physical harm it's doing. My girls would really like to attend school in person if their friends attend in September.
Well, as I've said before on these podcasts with respect to schooling, if your particular school is being hard-headed and not respecting the law, unfortunately, the only thing you can do is take court action. We are proceeding right now and very close to going to have our perfect our evidence and have our school application heard by the Ontario Superior Court, which deals with these very issues. In terms of practical alternatives, you've got homeschooling and you've got learning pods where under six or under students that act under the Daycare Act, where their daycares, you don't have to, they don't ask if that's your wish, and as is your right, especially if when you have an exemption, and the exemptions are very broad. So in practical terms, that's all you can do. You cannot, it's hard for a single person without legal challenge to wrestle a school or a school board.
Absolutely. Okay, thank you.
We are Canadians. We are free, it's meant to be. From sea